Alright, because that fuel needle is so wide, this runs through the fuel really quick. The tank was already empty and bubbling, so I'm gonna do a close-up of the intake valve because I love this engine is the one that the intake valve moves the most on this engine, and I do like watching it. So hopefully a little more fuel in there, it will run a little bit. Yeah, put a little fuel in there. It's not quite full, so we'll see how long it runs on this bit of fuel, and I'll watch that intake valve go.